Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error, that is module not found error, no module name, Hugging Face transformers. So what do you mean by transformers? Let's check out the meaning. A library providing pre-trained transformers model for NLP and the beyond. And what are the uses of transformers? Like text classification, chatbots and NLP apps, language translation, question answering systems, and sentiment analysis. Those are the uses. So let's check out the installation process. Like I'm trying to running that particular code in which we are importing the transformer library and got that error. So let's install that library. You have to just open in terminal, and first you have to check that Python is installed in the system or not. For that you have to just press Windows key and then write control panel, then click on uninstall program. So see, Python 3.10 is already there, so we don't have to install the Python. And you can also check by one more way. You have to just write Python hyphen version, then enter. So see, Python 3.10 is already there. Now we have to install that particular library, that is pip install transformers, then enter. Then it will collecting the packages. It will be around 10.2 MB and downloading the related packages. So let them download first. Then you can also check the version as well. You have to just write pip show transformers. So you can check that installing collected packages, Hugging Face Hub, regex, safe tensors, organizers, transformers, and you can also check the version pip show transformers. Then enter. So it will show the library name, transformers, and the version will be the 5.5.4, and the summary will be the transformer, the model definition framework for state of the machine learning model in text, vision, audio, and multimodal models for both interference and training. Okay, this will be the complete summary of the transformers, and let's end this video here. And if you're developing any of the project and got any error, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. Here you can share a screenshot of error and I will try to resolve it. Okay. And if you're a computer science student and want to develop any final year projects, then we have prepared a complete project list for computer science student. Let me open that list. This will be the complete project list. And this is a WhatsApp number. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp if you want that particular list. And we are developing projects in on demand like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning with different technologies. Okay, let's scroll down. Those are the machine learning projects. Let's scroll down. Machine learning, deep learning, AI, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, web development, management system, Java, Android app, cybersecurity, and many more. So if you want that particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. So let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.